Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ryder. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Today's Ryder's birthday, so we're gonna go to the Phoenix Children's Museum and go play there, and then we're probably gonna go to Rainforest Cafe after for his birthday dinner. Ready? Whose birthday is it?
Mine!
Whose?
Mine!
No, it's mine.
No, mine!
It's your birthday? Really? It's your birthday? How old are you today?
5.
You're crazy. You're so weird. Are you ready to go inside the Children's Museum?
Yeah!
Who's excited?
Me!
Raise your hand if you're excited. You ready? Alright, let's go.
Going to the Children's Museum!
Can I come in too?
Yeah.
Oh no! We're just chilling in our new house. This is our new house, right? No? Are you gonna push the button? Top. Yep. Top one.
Let's go, Mommy! We can go into pool noodles together!
Press number 3.
Oh, number 3?
We're gonna go play in the pool noodles!
Yeah!
Yeah! I'm hiding from him so he doesn't see me. Shh. I'm gonna get you! I don't know where Ryder went. Where'd he go? Let's go find him. Ready?
Set.
Go! Oh, go! You have to lift it up. There, woo! Good job.
I'm doing it! I think this one.
What's in there? Oh, what is that? Whoa, what are you driving? What is this thing? I don't think it's a motorcycle. I think it's a huge race car. You have to pull it up. There you go.
I'm the gas gun.
Ready? Ready? Meow. Smile. Ready? Here. 1, 2.
What is this?
Coffee.
Huh?
Coffee. Hey Ryder, can you get me some shampoo? I didn't bring my money with me. Can you get me some shampoo? Thanks, I really appreciate it.
Mommy.
What?
Yes.
Let me see the bottle. Clamato juice.
Okay.
Got it? Wow. Whee!
This is an exit. We don't want to go out.
We're gonna go back up?
Yeah, we need to rule it. We don't want to do an exit. Hey, Mommy, how do you get Papa Sail?
Oh my gosh, I can finally stand up.
Hey,
Look at this. Ryder, let's go in here. You can go all the way up?
Help us!
We're all the way at the top. Oh, we're almost touching the ceiling.
That.
I know.
Buddies!
Oh yeah, look at all those. There's a little fish made out of newspaper and magazines.
Where's the magazine?
Look.
Oh yeah.
And then what is that?
Oh, guys, let's get out here.
And then this little fish right here is made out of a fire extinguisher.
What's that?
You see?
Oh.
That one right there is made out of fire extinguisher. Show me cool tricks with it.
And this is right, you won't get your head stuck. Hello!
Hi!
How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Oh, there's a fox! We are out of the Children's Museum and we are going to head home and I'm gonna go change, and then we are going to head to the Rainforest Cafe. We'll see you there. We're here. Make a wish. Is this so cool? No way!
Oh, they like little characters?
I did! I got that for you! And you thought it was for Carter the whole time, huh? What'd you get to eat? A hot dog and what? And what?
Cucumber.
Oh, yum.
Hey, why does Doctor have no one?
Yay! Say thank you.
Did you hear him go from there? Try it again.
Good job. Hey guys, we're all done with the Rainforest Cafe. It was delicious. I am so full now. Ryder had a blast. Right now I'm just walking Ollie. Say hi, Ollie. Ollie, say hi. And I'm gonna go back inside in a few seconds, help Ryder finish up his shower, and then we're probably just gonna go to bed. Take it easy. All right, see you next time. Bye.